Have you ever wondered what it would be like to work with robots? Well, this summer, that is exactly what I got to do. My name is Adam Cohen, and I'm going to tell you what I did during the Summer Undergraduate Research Program, or SURE, at the University of Michigan. Most of my project was centered around micro-electro-mechanical systems, or M.E.M.S for short. These systems are extremely small, usually only a few millimeters in length, but have the ability to do so many things. My lab in particular is doing research on a M.E.M.S micro-robot that can go into dangerous areas where people can't, such as places with dangerous chemicals and through small cracks in walls, and they send signals back telling us what is there. We use a piezoelectric material called PZT. This PZT is amazing. When an electrical field is put across this material, it moves, and if you move this material, it can send an electrical signal back to you. This material is a main component used on these micro-robots, and in particular is used on the tactile sensors that I've been running experiments on. The tactile sensors will act like an antenna on a bug, and as the robot walks around, it will hit things with the antenna and let the user know that there is something in its way. I did a variety of tests to determine its natural and resonant frequencies, which make the antenna cover a wider area in a sweeping motion. Some of the tests I did include using a microscope and high-speed camera so that I can zoom in and see my sensor and slow down its motion, because it moves so quickly that to the naked eye it can look like it's not moving at all. I also did an LDV test, which stands for Laser Doppler Velocimetry. This device is basically just one awesome laser that measures very fast motions extremely precisely. I used a LabVIEW program to view my results in a graphical form and figure out exactly what I wanted to know. I also made a circuit that can tell the user when the antenna is moving so that we can tell when it hits something. Not only was I able to experiment with this antenna, I also learned new programs that allowed me to model this antenna. This told me things that would be hard to measure on a micro-robot, like the stresses on it and where it is vulnerable to breaking. I also got to design, build, and test a balance for this type of micro-robot. I made a design on a SolidWorks program and then went into the machine shop to mill and laser cut the parts. When I was finally able to put the parts together, I got to see my creation come to life with a simple test robot I built. My professor and advisor during this program was Professor Kenn Oldham. He was always super helpful, friendly, and really smart. He allowed me to work on several projects at once, giving me the chance to learn many things in different areas. My coworkers in lab also worked on very interesting things and helped me out when I needed it. Being part of this lab and learning about all the stuff that my friends were working on was my favorite part of the whole experience. All in all, this summer has been extremely fun and rewarding. I worked hard, but I really did enjoy what I got to do. Thank you for watching my video, and be sure to check out some other videos from this program. I know I'm not the only one who worked on something cool this summer. Go Blue!